Hi, my name is Mitch with MCA Remodeling. We are a design build firm. We are general contractors and we specialize in interior and exterior of residential homes. We got the award for Best of House in 2017 and 2018. We offer services in the plumbing, electrical, mechanical, framing, tile setting, drywall, painting, paver installation, sunrooms, lattice cover installation, solid cover installation. A number of exterior and interior services we do offer, along with the new and greatest materials that are offered on the market today. We do not subcontract our work, so we have a full staff of employees. So we have total control of what's going on a daily basis. We have project management in place. So there's always somebody running your job and communicating with you on a daily basis on what the next steps are. So we have a small staff of interior designers that are certified. They can help you with colors and textures, different products, what's available on the market, and different looks. And by doing 3D renderings, they can actually bring your ideas to life prior to you making any decisions. If you're looking for a good, honest contractor in the Bay Area, you can call MCA Remodeling. We can help you with all your needs for interior and exterior work, and we do give free, no obligation estimates. So if you're looking for a good, honest contractor, call MCA Remodeling.